Ari na! Malapit nang bumaba.
Ano na pigtas? Banat na eh.
See? You can see. Subframe. Transmission is always out. Almost out. Car is up on the lift.
Tatanggal ba rin? Yun, tanggal na.
Roberto in action!
Aba.
Tanggal na?
Ano pa? Meron pa.
Saan ba?
Ring ano na rin, ring harness na rin.
Bakit tatanggal mo yan? Kasama na yan dun sa ano. Ay, tinin na lang.
Pala.
Yeah.
Nasaan yun?
Iangat.
Iangat ba? O pipisil?
Hindi, iangat mo rin. Tapos tulak palabas. Yan na.
Okay, ligaw na. Okay.
I need to step back so they can see it better. It's nicer this way. Car, engine, car, engine. So just make sure when you're doing this, you got a nice lift and your lift are properly on the lift points and you have a nice cradle to catch your engine. And like I said, you need 2 people at least to help you out. One will look if there's something else that gets caught or forgot to remove. The other is just controlling the lift, going up little by little. Yeah.
What's this?
I don't know. I can't see.
Okay.
What is that? Oh. Oh. I heard something.
Nothing.
No, nothing's caught. It was just a wire.
Inner tie rod or something.
rod.
Yeah.
No, it was just a wire moving.
Okay.
Okay na. Alisin din sa pwesto na yan.
Yep. Good. Ay, Brad Obet.
Ha?
Shop. Drive shop. Panoorin nyo lang.
Okay lang. Yan.
Pwede, sige. Taas mo pa.
Okay na. Baba na lang to.
Okay. Slowly.
Push yun.
Woo. Heart attack. Wala daw tingin, walang tingin.
Sabi mo lang tingin. Sinabi na mo lang tingin. Ba't gusto mo ngayon? Yo!
Abay!
Ang advice ko sa inyo, huwag kayo bibili ng buwik. Magkakabuwik kayo.
Alright. Now, wait for your part 3 for the this time for the timing chain job. So timing chain, you have to remove all that bracket, everything that's in there that's controlled by the belt, because you're taking this cover up, the front cover. All right,
Pati ito, tanggal to.
we'll catch you later. See ya.
Ready?